I've been trading NQ futures for 15 years. In that time, I've traded through Brexit, through presidential elections, through the Chinese stock market crash, through the COVID collapse in February 2020, when the market dropped 34% in 5 weeks, through the inflation crisis and the beginning of the Ukrainian war in 2022. Every one of those events hit while I had real money in the market. I didn't watch them on the news, I traded through them. And I'm still here, I'm still profitable, still at the very same desk every single session. This channel is home to a completely free 30-episode course on how to trade NQ futures from scratch. 3 strategies, full process, risk management, psychology, backtesting, journaling, prop firms, every part of it built out in order, completely free. No upsells, no premium course, hiding the good stuff, no signals, no alerts. Everything is here on this channel and in the free Discord. I trade for a living. I don't need to sell anything to you. If you're serious about learning how to trade NQ futures the right way, built on process, built on discipline, built on a system that actually works, start with episode 1 and work through every single video in order. The playlist is in the description, the Discord is free, the course is free. The only thing you need to bring is the commitment to do the work. The only thing left is for you to challenge your future. Let's get started.